Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the live server extension for your Python in Visual Studio Code. So if you don't know about this particular extension, then this extension is used especially if your Python project involves serving static assets like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The live server extension can be a convenient way to set up a local development server. So let's see how to install this extension. So in order to install this extension, you need to head to the extensions tab in your Visual Studio's code, or alternatively, you may choose to press the Ctrl Shift and X key combinations. Once you are inside the extensions tab, you need to go to the search bar and type in the following, which is live server. And here you can see this first extension with around 61.5 million downloads by Ritwik Day. And to install this, simply click on the install button and the installation process will begin for this particular extension. And here it is giving me a message that do you trust the publisher or not. So in order to proceed, you need to click on the trust publisher and install button, and once that has been done, you can see that this particular library will be installed, and currently the status is installing. Once it has been installed, you can see message like this, and that means that this extension has been successfully installed into your system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.